Let me ask you something. Have you ever done something with your money that later made absolutely zero sense to you? You borrowed when you had savings. You panicked and sold your investments at the worst possible time. You spent money to impress people you don't even like. You are not alone. And more importantly, you are not stupid. Here's the truth that nobody in school ever taught you. Money decisions are almost never about math. They are about psychology. They are about fear, ego, memory, and emotion. Things that even the smartest people in the world struggle to control. Today on Success and Savings, we're going to break down the psychology of money, the invisible forces shaping every financial decision you make, and exactly what you can do to take back control. The money mindset trap. Imagine two people. Both earn exactly the same salary. One retires a millionaire. The other retires with almost nothing. What is the difference? It is not intelligence. It is not education. It is not even income. The difference is in how they think about money. Morgan Housel, in his best-selling book, The Psychology of Money, says something that should stop you in your tracks. Doing well with money has a little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. Think about that. Behavior over brain power. Every single time. So why do smart people fail with money? Here are the most powerful psychological traps, and chances are you have fallen into at least one of them. Your brain is wired to believe that whatever happened recently will keep happening forever. The stock market crashed. You panic and sell everything. The market is booming. You throw in all your savings at the peak. This is called recency bias, and it is responsible for destroying more wealth than almost any other force. In 2008, millions sold their investments at the lowest possible point and missed the greatest recovery in stock market history. The fix: stop making financial decisions based on last month's headlines. Think in decades, not days. Social comparison is one of the oldest human instincts. We evolved in small tribes where status meant survival. But in the modern world, this ancient instinct is silently draining your bank account. You buy the new car not because you need it, but because your neighbor just got one. You upgrade your phone every year, not because your old one broke, but because everyone else did. You go on expensive holidays and post them on Instagram, going into debt to look wealthy to people who are also going into debt to look wealthy to you. The fix: ask yourself one question before every big purchase. Am I buying this for myself or for other people's opinions? Research by Nobel Prize-winning psychologists Kahneman and Tversky proved that losing $100 feels twice as painful as the joy of gaining $100. Your brain treats losses and gains in a completely unequal way. This means people hold on to losing investments too long, hoping they come back. People avoid starting a business because they fear failure more than they desire success. People keep money in a zero-interest savings account for years because moving it feels risky, even when inflation is quietly destroying its value. The fix: reframe every decision. Instead of asking, "What could I lose?" ask, "What am I losing by not acting?" Your brain has two systems, one that wants pleasure right now, and one that plans for the future, and they are constantly fighting each other. In today's world, with one-click shopping, buy now pay later schemes, and social media showing you what others have, the instant gratification system wins almost every time. This is why people know they should save, but don't. They know the math. They understand compound interest. But when the pleasure of spending today is competing against the abstract idea of being rich in 20 years, today wins. The fix: automate your savings. Remove the decision completely. Set up automatic transfers the day your salary arrives. Save first. Spend what's left. Studies show that the vast majority of people rate themselves as above-average drivers. The same is true for investors. Most people believe they are smarter than the market. They believe they can time it perfectly. Buy low, sell high, pick the winning stock. The data is devastating. Over a 10-year period, more than 90% of actively managed investment funds fail to beat a simple index fund. Even professional fund managers with billions of dollars and teams of analysts consistently underperform. And yet, ordinary investors keep trying to beat the market themselves. The fix: respect your own limitations. Consistent, boring, long-term investing almost always beats clever, exciting, short-term trading. Many people, especially those raised in cultures where talking about money was considered rude or shameful, develop a deep psychological avoidance of financial topics. They don't check their bank account because looking at it creates anxiety. They ignore bills hoping they'll disappear. They avoid making a will or creating a financial plan because thinking about it feels uncomfortable. Avoidance always makes financial problems worse. Every month you delay investing is a month of compound interest you cannot get back. The fix: schedule one money date per week. Just 15 minutes to review your accounts, track spending, and check your goals. Make it a habit, not a crisis. So now that we understand the traps, what actually separates people who build lasting wealth from those who don't? Here are 3 rules that change everything. Rule 1. Know your financial story. Your relationship with money started in childhood. The way your parents talked, or didn't talk, about money shapes your decisions today. Understanding your own story is the first step to rewriting it. Rule 2. Think in decades, not days. Wealth is not built in a market peak or a lucky bet. It is built over 20, 30, 40 years of consistent, boring decisions. Time in the market always beats timing the market. Rule 3. Design a system, not just a goal. A goal without a system is just a wish. Automate savings. Invest on a fixed schedule. Live below your means. And let the system run even when your emotions are screaming at you to stop. Money is emotional. It always has been. The person who understands that and builds systems to manage it is the one who wins. Not the smartest, not the richest, the most self-aware. If this video helped you see your own money habits in a new light, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to Success and Savings for more content that helps you think differently about money, savings, and building a better financial future. And remember, your future is not determined by your income. It is determined by your decisions. Make them wisely.